What's up guys, I'm kinzeeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I transformed a $5 pair of thrift store jeans into some American Eagle Hollister style boyfriend jeans. And I did it in only a few easy steps. So if you guys are interested in seeing this transformation, please just keep on watching. So all you need for step 1 of this transformation is of course your jeans, a pair of scissors, and a surface to lay the jeans on top of while you're cutting them. So the first thing I'm doing is just laying the jeans out on the table and just making sure they're nice and flat so that when I cut it, I don't run into any bumps or lumps, because we want straight lines. Well, not exactly straight lines because we're going for like a distressed look, but we don't want to be cutting all crazy. So the first thing that I'm doing is just taking my pair of scissors and I'm cutting a little slit into the jeans, and this part is going to be down by my knee. And I just kind of eyeballed where exactly the slit would fall like when I put them on. But if you want, you can take like a pencil and try the jeans on and kind of just put a line just to show like exactly where your knee is going to be. But for this look, I was just kind of looking for like a little baggy, you know, not really perfect kind of look, so I just kind of eyeballed it. And now I'm just going in and I'm making a second slit right above the first one, and I'm going to do the exact same step. And I also went ahead and did the same thing to the other side, and be sure when you do the other side that they kind of line up, because I mean you can't go for that look where it's like uneven, but I kind of wanted mine to be even going across. Alright, so for step 2, I'm just going to be taking this kitchen knife and I'm going to begin distressing. So to get the distressed look, I'm just taking my knife and just running it along the ends of where I just cut with the scissors, and doing this just makes like the threads of the jeans, you know, start coming out. If I'm not using the correct terms, please excuse me. So yeah, I'm just taking my knife and I'm just running it across the jeans and just, you know, distressing it up. And when doing this step, there's really not a right or wrong way to do it, because in the end we do want the jeans to look distressed and like they've been worn and stuff like that. So I would say just kind of freestyle when doing this part. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my knife and just kind of drag them on top of my slits, and this just gives it an even more like distressed and messy kind of look. And I'm also taking my knife and I'm like cutting like little tiny slits into it just to make it even more messy, because we want boyfriend jeans, we want them to look used, and we effing these jeans up today. Alright, so now I'm just taking my knife and just running it across the jeans, and I'm doing this to give me like, it's not going to be like an open slit, but it'll be kind of like a little patch where threads will be running across, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about in a few minutes. And when doing this, don't apply too much pressure because it'll start cutting through the jeans, and then you'll end up with holes on the back side of the jeans, which wouldn't look bad, but I just wasn't going for that look. So then I took my knife and did the same exact steps to the other side. So luckily the bottom of these jeans were already kind of distressed, so I really did look up on that, but I'm just going to take my knife and just dig out a few more of those threads, just because I'm really going for like a really used look, which I keep saying, but that's really what I'm trying to go for. So yeah, I'm just taking my knife and just poking out a few more of those threads. And I just flipped the jeans over to the back, and I'm just doing one little distressed patch on the back of the pocket, just so the back of the jeans don't feel left out, you know. Alright, so this is how the jeans look right before I put them in the washer. As you can see, we're nice and distressed, we cut up, we definitely F these jeans up. So now we're going to go ahead and throw them into the washer. Alright, so this is how the jeans look straight out of the washer. As you can see, they're turning out really good, but you get the best effect after they've been dried and they are all nice and fluffy. So we're going to go ahead and throw them in the dryer, and I will check back with you guys after we get them out. So here are the jeans fresh out of the dryer. They turned out so good. Like, I am so happy with how they came out. Every little slit and little patch and everything just came out exactly how I wanted it to. So in total, the whole process probably took me about an hour and a half. It took me about 30 minutes to actually cut the jeans and take my knife and distress them, and then it took about an hour just to wash and dry them. So it really wasn't a long process at all, and I'm absolutely in love with the way they turned out. So if you guys did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about anything that I did in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!